If you've closed your WhatsApp account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. It's important to note that you can only reopen your account within 30 days of deletion. Step 1. Download WhatsApp. Visit your device's App Store and download the latest version of WhatsApp. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the download. Step 2. Open WhatsApp. Once the app is installed, tap on the WhatsApp icon to open it. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Enter the phone number associated with your closed account. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your number. Step 4. Restore your account. After verification, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history. If you have a backup, follow the instructions to restore it. If not, you can skip this step. Step 5. Set up your profile. Once your account is restored, set up your profile by adding your name and profile picture. You are now ready to use WhatsApp again. In conclusion, reopening a closed WhatsApp account is a straightforward process as long as you act within the 30-day window. Follow these steps to regain access and reconnect with your contacts.